Jen, hi.
Welcome to our business and technical orientation of DMX Petroleum Products. The business orientation is to be presented by the Chairman and President of Biocin US, Mr. Deo Relo, and the technical orientation is to be presented by Mr. Yu Basil, our European representative. And before we start, may I request to everyone to your phone is silent mode.
Okay. Pwede po. Nakasilent na.
Thank you for doing so. Our refreshment will be served 3 p.m. and our dinner will be served 5:30 p.m. And if you want na mag-CR kayo, yan lang yan before the counter on the other side. Okay, I'm doing myself here.
Yes.
Okay, thank you for your attention. And now, ladies and gentlemen, may I request to call the President and Chairman of Biocin US, my brother, Mr. Deo Relo. Please give a warm applause.
Thank you. I will also give you my welcome. Also, an announcement for an apology. The last time we canceled the first seminar. We were not ready. Although Hugh was already here at that time, we were not really ready. And there were a few things that were said that maybe talagang hindi pwede, at that time. So, but before he leaves, he's leaving on Monday, we decided still to proceed, but not a seminar. This is only an orientation. As my sister said, this is the business and technical orientation. It's almost like parang introduction lang about the DMX. Kaya lang yung DMX, we would like to put it in a proper place, a proper perspective. Why are we doing this? What is DMX? And how come, actually I've been here almost 2 years. Almost pabalik-balik, but I've been here 2 years. And but hanggang ngayon hindi pa kami ready. What are we really doing? So I will explain that mamaya sa business orientation portion. Orientation. But the first one is a technical presentation by Hugh Council. He has been with us for 15 years. He's the most experienced sa product na DMX. And he is the most knowledgeable not only in terms of the practical aspect of the product, but also the theoretical. Kasi iba yung na-explain mo ng, sige tignan nyo kung anong result dun sa, as compared to why, yung mga equations, things like that. Also, Hugh is very much involved with us in our other main business, which is actually in power generation, which I will discuss during my portion. So when we talk about DMX, kumbaga kung ang aming business kung galaking circle, yung DMX is only about ang ganito. Kaya lang, it's very, very important. And that product and lines of products and services based on DMX technology has been my personal bread and butter for the last 20 years in the United States. And that's where actually I met Hugh. But then we have to graduate from that. Kung medyo simpleng produkto lang yun, pinalimutan ko na yun. Kasi parang, kumbaga, kindergarten na yun, o parang grade 1 or grade 2. Kaya lang, it was so good na we decided to still carry it to our main business, our core business now, which is into power generation. Which is very much, very important, lalo na dito sa ating bansa, where the cost of power is only second sa Japan, no? It's very, very expensive sa Asia. Second only to Japan. We actually have a company now in the in the Philippines called Biosyn PowerGen Incorporated, no? And we focus on power generation, especially the generation of clean, green, low cost, and long-term sustainable power na very relevant sa bansa natin ngayon, especially with respect to the fact na maraming nahihirapan dahil masyadong mataas ang kuryente. Yung iba nga wala pa. And then the other one is the fact that by the end of this year, we will have what we call the CN integration. And kung ating kuryente mataas, medyo talo tayo ng mga Singaporeans, Thais, no? Indonesians, even the Vietnamese. So we intend to do something about that. And, of course, a company will not be a company kung wala kaming presidente. No? So we are very fortunate to have a very prestigious, very important person who is our president here in the Philippines. And that's General Romy Bokis, who happens to be here today. So he's not speaking, but he's just observing this afternoon. No? He just retired from the Air Force. He's a Major General from the Air Force. Kung walang politics, he should be the Chief of Staff. Soldier of the Year twice in the Philippines. So we're very lucky to have him. Okay? But I guess I'd like to go now to Hugh. We have about 3 hours of sessions now. But then again, let me just emphasize, this is only an introduction. This will not go into the details. We'll give you a preview of what we have in store for this country, starting with the DMX. And even the DMX, we will not go into the details. We will give you also a sneak preview of what it is. We'll give you enough to whet your appetite, no? But we will not go into the details, especially the proprietary portion. And that's what Hugh will discuss this afternoon. Okay, so with that, I'll give you Hugh. Now, we have to record this, no? So I'll do some, while you're doing some introduction, I'll do some quickly